What if the meal you eat for lunch could technically download a software update directly into your brain? For the last century, we have looked at food simply as fuel to keep the body moving, like putting gas in a car. However, we are standing on the edge of a nutritional revolution where food is becoming a form of information technology designed to program your biology for immortality. We are no longer just eating to survive. We are about to start eating to evolve. Before we explore the menu of the future, I have a small request regarding the visuals you are about to see. Please don't mind if the picture looks different from the narrative, as I generated it using AI to help visualize these futuristic concepts. Today, we are diving into the world of neuronourishment, where science engineers the perfect fuel to supercharge your cognitive function. Here are 10 facts about the future of food that will upgrade your brain, and I want you to tell me which one you would order first. Fact 1. Nutrigenomics. The most significant breakthrough in future food is the field of nutrigenomics, which is the science of eating according to your specific DNA. Instead of following a generic diet trend, you will soon scan your genetic code to see exactly which nutrients your brain needs to function at its peak. This means that a salad might be healthy for your neighbor, but toxic for you, and your personalized nutrition plan will tell you the difference. We are moving away from the food pyramid and toward a personal prescription for your daily meals. Fact 2. Nootropic farming. You have probably heard of nootropics or smart drugs, which are supplements designed to enhance memory and focus. In the future, we will not need to take pills because scientists are finding ways to grow these cognitive enhancers directly into our vegetables. Imagine eating a spinach leaf that has been cultivated to contain high levels of L-theanine or Bacopa monnieri to naturally calm your mind and sharpen your focus. Your grocery store produce section will eventually replace your pharmacy. Fact 3. The blood-brain barrier hack. One of the biggest problems with current supplements is that the brain has a security system called the blood-brain barrier that blocks most foreign substances from entering. Future neuronourishment involves using nanotechnology to wrap essential nutrients in tiny protective bubbles that can slip past this barrier undetected. This ensures that the vitamins and minerals you eat actually reach your neurons instead of just being flushed out by your digestive system. It is like creating a VIP pass for nutrients to enter the most exclusive club in your body. Fact 4. Psychobiotics. We have known for a while that the gut is the second brain, but we are now designing foods specifically to manipulate your mood through your stomach. These engineered foods, known as psychobiotics, contain specific strains of bacteria that produce serotonin and dopamine in your gut to treat anxiety and depression, instead of taking an antidepressant. You might soon be prescribed a specially formulated yogurt that alters your brain chemistry naturally. This is the ultimate realization of the phrase, "You are what you eat." Fact 5. Senolytic smoothies. As we age, our bodies accumulate damaged cells known as zombie cells that refuse to die and instead float around causing inflammation and aging. Scientists are identifying natural compounds, known as senolytics, that can hunt down and eliminate these zombie cells to rejuvenate the body. Future functional foods will be packed with these compounds, allowing you to drink a smoothie that actively cleanses your body of biological waste and slows down the aging process. It is essentially a garbage collection service for your cellular health. Fact 6. Synthetic ketones. The ketogenic diet is famous for giving the brain a clean, high-efficiency fuel source, but it is incredibly difficult to maintain a strict diet with zero carbohydrates. The solution is the development of synthetic ketone esters, a drinkable food source that puts your brain into a state of high performance without you having to give up carbs. This allows your brain to burn jet fuel while you are still enjoying a balanced diet, giving you the best of both worlds. You get the mental clarity of fasting without the starvation. Fact 7. Vertical farming density. Modern industrial farming has stripped the soil of nutrients, meaning an apple today has far fewer vitamins than an apple from 50 years ago. The future of neuronourishment relies on high-tech vertical farms that use aeroponics to stress plants in specific ways, forcing them to produce massive amounts of antioxidants. We will be able to grow super broccoli or hyper kale that is 10 times more nutrient-dense than anything found in nature today. We are fixing the soil crisis by moving the farm into the laboratory. Fact 8. Algae-based omegas. Your brain is 60% fat, and it specifically craves omega-3 fatty acids to repair its cell membranes and maintain speed. However, our oceans are polluted with heavy metals like mercury, making fish a dangerous source of these essential fats. The future lies in skipping the fish entirely and going straight to the source by growing algae in clean, sterile tanks to produce pure, brain-building fats. This provides the raw materials your brain needs to rebuild itself without the risk of poisoning your nervous system. Fact 9. Mitochondrial refresh. Every cell in your brain has tiny power plants called mitochondria, and when they get old, your energy levels drop and your thinking becomes foggy. New nutrients like urolithin are being discovered that trigger a process called mitophagy, which recycles old mitochondria and replaces them with fresh new ones. Incorporating these nutrients into our daily food supply means we can constantly renew the batteries inside our brain cells. It is the biological equivalent of swapping out an old battery for a fresh one every single day. Fact 10. Chrononutrition. The final frontier is not just what you eat, but when you eat it based on the specific clock genes in your brain. Future smart fridges will unlock specific foods only at specific times of day to align with your circadian rhythm, maximizing alertness in the morning and recovery at night. Eating a high-carb meal at the wrong time can disrupt your brain, but eating it at the right time can fuel it perfectly. We will eventually treat meal timing with the same precision as a surgical procedure. We have covered 10 aspects of neuronourishment: nutrigenomics, nootropic farming, the blood-brain barrier hack, psychobiotics, senolytic smoothies, synthetic ketones, vertical farming density, algae-based omegas, mitochondrial refresh, and chrononutrition. I want you to pause and comment below, which of these futuristic food technologies would you trust to upgrade your brain? While all of these are incredible, the game changer is number 1, nutrigenomics. The moment we stop guessing what is healthy and start reading the instruction manual written in our DNA, everything changes. Personalization is the key to longevity because there is no such thing as a perfect diet. There is only a perfect diet for you. If you want to feed your mind with more delicious facts about the future, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now. Your brain consumes 20% of your body's energy, so give it a treat by clicking the like button. I will see you in the next one. Enjoy your meal.